A room buzzing with financial analysts, crypto enthusiasts, and everyday investors, all fervently discussing the future of Bitcoin. The atmosphere is electric, and the term halving reverberates through the room like a mantra. What is it about this event that has everyone from Wall Street to Silicon Valley on tenterhooks? Could the Bitcoin halving of 2024 be the catalyst that propels this enigmatic cryptocurrency to unprecedented heights? Or is it just another chapter in the volatile saga of digital assets, the essence of Bitcoin halving? Before we navigate the plethora of predictions, speculations, and intricate market analyses, let's demystify what Bitcoin halving entails. Scheduled for April 2024, this event will see the reward for mining new blocks on the Bitcoin network slashed in half, from 6.25 BTC to 3.125 BTC. This isn't just a technical adjustment, it's a seismic shift that could shake the very foundations of crypto economics. According to CoinCodex, the Bitcoin price is expected to hover around $49,300 by April 1st, 2024. Post-halving, the price is predicted to rally to a new all-time high of about $84,100. However, these numbers are not set in stone. The crypto market is notoriously unpredictable, and long-term forecasts often miss the mark. The perspectives. Jesse Myers, a Bitcoin investor and co-founder of investment firm Avant, offers a more cautious outlook. He argues that the market will only price in the halving post factum. Myers criticizes the efficient market hypothesis, EMH, stating that markets don't always reflect the true state of an asset. He believes that Bitcoin won't surge to $100,000 before the next halving, contrary to popular belief. This perspective is echoed in a Cointelegraph article, which suggests that the market will only bear out the implications of the halving after the event has occurred. On the flip side, Pantera Capital suggests that Bitcoin could soar to almost $150,000 by 2025 after the next halving cycle. They maintain that Bitcoin has historically bottomed 477 days before the halving, climbed leading into it, and then exploded to the upside afterwards. This viewpoint is supported by historical analysis, which shows that most of Bitcoin's cycle gains occur post-halving rather than in the run-up to one. The historical lens. As we navigate the maze of predictions and theories, it's worth taking a moment to glance back at the rearview mirror of history. Bitcoin has undergone 3 halvings so far, each with its unique set of circumstances and market reactions. The first halving in 2012 saw Bitcoin's price jump from $10.70 to $12.20 at the time of the event, and then to $30.90 3 months later, a staggering 153% increase. The second halving in 2016 was less dramatic, with the price decreasing slightly post-halving. The third halving in 2020 led to a 35.8% increase 3 months after the event. Before we going further in the video, I want to mention, the channel is doing a weekly Bitcoin giveaway, just like subscribe and comment. Watch the video to the end to support the YouTube algorithm. And let's go further in the video. The nature of Bitcoin. Market patterns often follow cyclical movements, and significant blockchain protocol events like Bitcoin halvings tend to have a considerable influence over the price of cryptocurrencies. The only consistent trend observed from previous halvings is that the price of Bitcoin was lower 1 month before each of the 3 Bitcoin halvings than it was at the time of the halving. This suggests that the BTC markets generally feel optimistic in the run-up to each halving. According to an analysis by Cointelegraph, the year before a halving event has seen similar BTC price performance on each occasion. This cyclical nature adds another layer of complexity to the already intricate world of Bitcoin trading. While history provides us with valuable insights, it's crucial to remember that past performance doesn't guarantee future trends. After the most recent halving in 2020, the BTC price was up by a very significant 35.8% 3 months after the halving. However, Jesse Myers of Avant cautions that markets will only bear out the implications of the halving after the event has occurred. This perspective contrasts with some recent forecasts that suggest a breakout is around the corner, possibly even before October 2023. The Washington Post adds that Bitcoin is notoriously volatile, prone to sudden price surges and swift reversals that can wipe out millions of dollars of value in a matter of minutes. The psychological factor. The fear of missing out, FOMO, is a powerful psychological force in the crypto market. As the 2024 halving approaches, the buzz is likely to reach a fever pitch, potentially driving up the price as investors scramble to get a piece of the action. However, it's essential to remember that market sentiment can be a double-edged sword. While FOMO can fuel a rapid price surge, it can also lead to equally swift corrections if the market doesn't sustain the hype. The regulatory landscape. One factor that could significantly impact Bitcoin's trajectory post-halving is regulatory changes. Governments around the world are increasingly scrutinizing cryptocurrencies, and any significant policy shifts could either dampen or boost market enthusiasm. For instance, if a major economy like the United States were to impose stricter regulations, it could send shockwaves through the market, potentially offsetting any gains from the halving. On the flip side, it is also important to note here the pending approval of a Bitcoin ETF. If approved, this could attract significant investments from major institutions, thereby giving Bitcoin more credibility in the financial world and triggering a surge in its price rally. Another angle to consider is the ongoing technological advancements in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. Innovations like the Lightning Network, Taproot, and Schnorr signatures could enhance Bitcoin's scalability, privacy, and overall utility, potentially driving up demand and, by extension, its price. The final verdict. As we inch closer to the much-anticipated Bitcoin halving of 2024, the stakes are high, and the opinions are polarized. While some analysts, like those at Pantera Capital, are bullish about Bitcoin's prospects, projecting a price of up to $148,000 by July 2025, others like Jesse Myers offer a more cautious perspective. Blockstream CEO Adam Back has made an optimistic bet on Bitcoin's price ahead of the 2024 halving event, sparking interest and discussions within the crypto community. According to Back, Bitcoin is likely to exceed $100,000 before halving in 2024. The bet involves 1 million Satoshis, which is the smallest unit of Bitcoin and is currently valued at around $290. If Back's prediction turns out to be correct, the amount could soar to over $1,000. CoinCodex, in their detailed analysis, also suggests that the Bitcoin price is forecasted to increase significantly in the month leading up to the next halving, and even match the previous all-time high before dropping down to roughly $49,300 at the time of the next halving. They also forecast a huge price rally in late 2023, which would extend into early 2024, reaching as high as $167,000. However, they caution that the Bitcoin markets tend to be very unpredictable and long-term Bitcoin price forecasts have a low probability of being accurate. Technical indicators such as the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, suggest a neutral outlook for Bitcoin in the current situation. The Fear and Greed Index, which indicates market sentiment, is currently at a neutral position of 49 out of 100. Nevertheless, built upon this hype is a noteworthy trend among prominent Bitcoin investors, or whales. They continue to accumulate more Bitcoin, which shows their unwavering faith in its potential for growth and long-term success. So, where does that leave us? At the crossroads of uncertainty and opportunity. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious onlooker, the Bitcoin halving of 2024 presents a unique moment in financial history, a moment that could redefine the rules of the game or reaffirm the status quo. The question is, are you ready to be part of this watershed event? If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. See you next time.